Ezys, and we're doing a live interview off the cuff for Songbird. So we're going to ask a few questions to each other for the Songbird. They've prepped these for us before, so we printed them off, and you've got a wicked little logo. Let's have a look at that. It's a bit backwards probably. So first of all, I'm Daryl, I play bass and sing.
I'm Martin, I play guitar and backing vocals.
I'm Jess, and I'm the drummer.
He's a quiet one. So Martin, who/what are your musical influences, and what sort of genre would you consider our music to be, do you reckon?
Well, I grew up listening to 90s Britpop and indie, so obviously Oasis, Ocean Colour Scene, Stone Roses, all that sort of stuff. On music, our genre has been likened by a couple of people to new wave.
Yeah, I'd say that. In fact, I wrote that down on this question.
Yeah?
I put
didn't read it.
I put post new wave. But I reckon if it's like years later, it's post something. If it's something like post Britpop, it's like the next generation of Britpop, so to speak. So yeah, I reckon post new wave or new wave's a good choice. What do you reckon? Music.
I always topical alternative because it just covers all the bases.
Covers all bases, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
pretty
Safety net.
Check us out.
What's your favourite song of yours and why?
Favourite song that we play?
Yeah.
Breaking Clouds, I think. See, this is probably one that's most unlike anything else, I suppose. I think that's why I like it, because it's got a groove and it's nice, and it's not too, it's not heavy, it's not in your face, it's just got a nice sound to it. So.
Daryl,
Yeah.
what do you consider the best lyric you've ever written?
Okay, so I think Low Life Deeps is one of the tunes that's on the list being released probably early 2020 or anything. Well, the reason why I love the lyrics of that song is because where we're from, like we're all proud of where we're from. Me and Jess from Stoke, Mark's from Stafford. It's all Staffordshire, all part of the pottery industry and that kind of thing. So Low Life Deeps, if you listen to the lyrics when we release it, you will notice it's all about the degradation of industrialisation and how nothing really changes and no one really seems to be bothered, which is pretty sad and depressing really. But the tune's uplifting, so it's a nice contrast. But the lyrics
song.
Is that a happy song? Yeah.
It makes me happy.
Yeah, it's a happy sounding, but the lyrics are just quite depressing if you listen to them and read them properly. So yeah, that's probably my favourite lyrics I've written so far. But they're all different in their own way, so.
Yeah, I've got one for Jess.
Left out.
Sorry, Jess. What's your favourite song of all time by any other band, artist, and why?
It has to be Helpless by John Mayer. Super catchy, simple song, but groovy as
If you heard your drum, you wouldn't even think you'd like John Mayer, to be honest.
An animal, mate.
So, Mart, what are you listening to at the moment? Let's give us the 411 on what's going down on Mart's playlist.
Where do I start? The Snuts, the Barretts, the Kays,
Marky Drive.
Marky Drive,
Yeah,
obviously.
I'm
Older stuff, a lot of Cast,
Yeah.
Shed 7, loads of stuff, mate.
You're all
I've got
about that 90s, aren't you?
yeah, I've got my earphones in all day long, mate, so I've got to have a difference in taste in there. And
Yeah, I reckon that's a good choice. I'll answer that because it's a good question. So at the moment I'm listening to a band called Ebu. Ebu are, I don't even know if they're American or Canadian, but it's pretty chill. It's pretty like a dream poppy, really guitar effect based. Love it. What do you reckon, Jess? What's on your playlist? What you listening to?
Greta Van Fleet's a big one for me at the moment. A lot of people have said that it's Led Zepp kind of comeback band, but they are amazing, obviously.
You get the classics.
Yeah, that's a classic rock, and always listen to Planet Rock, being honest, so whatever pops up on there.
What's going on with you at the moment? Songbird want to know what's happening with the Ezys.
There's more.
So, do we have any gigs planned or upcoming events? So yeah, we have. We've got the station in Cannock, and that's the 26th of the 10th. We're supporting Marky Drive. It's like the first, I think it's the first gig they've had in Staffordshire since they were signed to Creation 23. But we're proper like stoked, I reckon. I'm proper excited.
Looking forward to that, mate.
Yeah, we're
Really
waiting on the
nice.
set tonight, aren't we? So it's going to be a big one. And we've got 10th of December, which is the last show of the year for us, supporting Carl Falconer from The View and Faraday, all local boys, Faraday.
It's another one I should have put on my list, mate, who I'm listening to
Yeah,
at the minute.
Faraday. You've got the OK, can't you, on Spotify for the Easy thing?
Yeah, another playlist.
So Mark's put a playlist together on Spotify called The Oatcake. That's loads of local bands that we listen to and we enjoy. If you are a local band and you won't get on there, just message us and we'll put you on there.
What's been the best gig you've played so far, and what would be your dream gig to play?
Best gig's got to be the Rigger, mate.
I'd say the Rigger, yeah.
Which time?
The headliner.
The headliner.
The best one for me, I think, is probably first gig, Underground, because it was me and Jess have been playing these songs, some of them for like 10 years, so it's great for us finally getting out there, and at some point in our lives we've been able to put something out live that we've done rather than just jamming and marking along with the right ingredients. Who would you most like to share a stage with, past or present?
I was thinking of this one earlier, mate, and I couldn't nail it down, to be honest.
Well, out of everyone in the world, anyone that's
John
dead or alive?
Squire would have to be me, mate. Definitely. So if you're listening, John, give us a shout, because there's a gig in it for you.
Yeah, and I like your art as well. I like guitar playing as well.
Bring some paintings.
Your art's pretty cool. Who do you reckon you play with?
Geddy Lee.
Geddy Lee. So, honestly, The Clash. I did say The Clash or Bob Marley and the Wailers. Just because, yeah, Freddie'd be cool. I think I'd like to watch the Wailers more with Bob Marley than I'd play with him.
What's the best thing and worst thing about being in a band?
Bloody hell. We used to. On both counts.
You did it.
So, I wrote down having the ability to express yourself. And the boys, the best part of the week with these two lads. So that's probably the best part.
So going out there and showing it off.
Yeah, definitely.
That's another great thing
Come
about
on,
it.
we're out since February, so
Yeah.
it's nice to get out there and actually show what we're doing. We've had a break out for a while, so it's going to be nice to get out there. Gig is actually definitely on the list. One gig,
Like, we've had a break, and then we've come in tonight and we've played the songs kind of back to back.
Yeah,
and
it's been 4 weeks since
that's
we've
right.
played
It's really affirming to do that for that day. So knowing that it's really weird that it sticks in your memory.
Yeah, it's cool. That's definitely a good feeling when it comes together
Most
again
of
like
it.
that.
Most of it.
So, yeah. Worst thing, selling tickets.
Nightmare.
I'm shit at it. Honestly, I'm not a salesman at all. I can't do it.
The worst thing, I don't know. I don't think there is anything bad about it.
You can sell tickets as well.
The thing, I just love doing it, man. There's no worst thing for me. I love you.
I like that you won't look at the dress.
I want to look at you both.
Last question then. So, what 3 words best sum you up as a band? 3 of us, so we each get a word. I would have said mismatched, because personality will match up, but looks wise, if you see any of our YouTube videos now, we look and stuff, we don't dress the same. I mean, look at us now.
Oh yeah, we don't dress the same at all.
I do this. This is what I usually wear. This is casual for me. Jess is looking like a snack.
As always.
A mustard snack.
With his fresh haircut.
Well, different,
man. But yeah, anyway, mismatched. Go on then, Mark. What's your word?
My word, passionate, mate, because we're all passionate about
We
what
are
we
passionate.
do. See, I thought long and hard about that one.
Yeah, you did. Through my brain.
It's like family and be really sad for me. Like,
Family.
aw.
Yeah, that's nice.
We are, aren't we?
We are a
One
family.
big
I'm gonna say
family.
family.
No, he said it now.
Or you
Family.
did.
So family, mismatched, and passionate. There you go. Family.
We're a passionate, mismatched family.
Are we going to do this 3, 2, 1 go thing?
Yeah, who wants to go first?
I would love for Mark to say the opposite one of what he
Yeah. Come on, let's do it. So you do.
Me first.
You do one. I'll do one.
Okay, Oasis or Blur?
Oasis.
Liam or Noel?
Noel.
The Beatles or the Stones?
Beatles.
Mod or Rocker?
Mod.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
So mismatched. We are so mismatched. Right. Where do you?
What do I have to say now? I feel like I have to have the first one.
You.
Oasis or Blur?
Oasis.
Liam or Noel?
Or
It's 3, 2,
Liam.
1. No, it's 3, 2, 1. Go back to Liam. Okay.
Beatles or the Stones?
Stones?
Mod or Rocker?
Rocker?
Tea or coffee?
Both.
You
At the same time?
You can't mix
Can't
tea
pick.
and coffee. Alright,
Enough
okay.
coffee
Okay.
for today.
Yeah, he's having
Coffee.
It's crashing now, I can tell.
Coffee.
Right, so then, your turn.
Okay.
Go on, Jess, you start.
Okay, Oasis or Blur?
Blur.
Liam or Noel?
Liam.
The Beatles or the Stones?
Beatles.
Model Rocker?
Mod.
Tea or coffee?
Two. I have to say mod. My roots are in Muppet. Like the northern side.
Okay. So, social media links then.
Yeah, we're on loads of stuff.
We've got to tell you this though, because everybody
Oh,
spells
yes.
it wrong. We spelled it wrong, so you've got to spell it wrong.
Have we?
Yeah. Ezys, E-Z-Y-S, not the standard way of spelling it. So
Oh, you
search
said
that.
that. Oh, it's got an apostrophe on the Z, but you don't have to put it in for anything.
Don't worry about that.
On the social media handles, Instagram is at the Ezys one.
Yeah.
Facebook is facebook.com/the Ezys, one word. Twitter is I think it's at the Ezys. We got that, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
And if we didn't, then you type in the Ezys and see it, you'll find us. And our website, well, we're on YouTube and stuff, so you can do it that way as well. Thank you. Thank you, Songbird. Thanks, bye.
Thank you very much.
Bye, we're the Ezys. And we're out.
Not if you touch that, we're not. So confused.
Oh, God, I can't do it. It's in a box.